In this video I'll demonstrate how to disassemble slide on Glock 17. The procedure is very similar, if not the same, on all of the other Glock models. First thing first, make sure the gun is safe and clear. Remove the magazine. Physically look in the chamber. Make sure there's no round, always pointing in the same direction. Release the trigger. Take off the slide from the frame. Take off the barrel, recoil spring. Remove the barrel. Set it aside. So to open up your slide, what you would need to do is remove the back plate here. And to do that, behind your firing pin, you'll see a little plastic piece poking out there. So what you would need to do is press on it with a punch down while simultaneously taking the back cover off. So let's do that. So just press on it down and remove the back cover like so. There is not a lot of spring tension, so set the cover back. Now you simply slide out your firing pin assembly. See your firing pin assembly. So what you were doing when you used your punch set is your firing pin set like that, and you inserted the punch in between the firing pin and that plastic bushing. So set it aside. Now take out your safety plunger, plunger depressor I believe it's called. Now your firing pin safety and extractor are two parts that hold together. They hold each other pretty much in place. So to remove that, just simply press on firing pin safety, and your extractor will fall out. So just press. Here's the extractor. Release the firing pin safety. Flip it upside down, and it comes out simply as that. And this is all to it, to disassemble your slide. And again, to put it back together, it's pretty much just reverse process. So your firing pin safety, your extractor, they hold each other in place. So start by taking your extractor and put it in place. You pretty much can just assemble it one way. You can't assemble it any other way. So again, extractor, put it in place, hold it with your thumb, take your firing pin safety, put it in place, and simply just press on it, and that's it. They are locked into place. They both hold each other. Now your firing pin safety plunger depressor, slide it back in place. Firing pin assembly goes back into place. Now to put your cover back, you will have to press on your firing pin pushing here, and then on the safety depressor plunger. So just start by sliding it into place. You can use your punch. Make sure you can see, guys. Just press on it and slide your cover up until now it's only the safety depressor is on your way. Then simply press on it and lock it into place like so. So everything is on their places. Put your barrel back, your recoil spring, and put your slide back on your frame. Oops. Like so. Lock it in place, Empty chamber, function check, always in the same direction. There you go. You're all set. Thanks for watching.